Travel in comfort with ADOair, your commuting companion. Just click. ADO Smart can be activated immediately. Enjoy the journey with intelligent navigation, guiding you wherever you go. Weighing only 16 kilograms and foldable with 3 simple steps, it can fit easily into your trunk. Conveniently take ADOair. Experience the smooth and silent ride thanks to the instant hub motor and smart torque sensor with carbon belt drive. Translate your every movement into a seamless and powerful ride. Its small yet powerful body is fully charged from day to night, ready to take you on your way. ADOair, effortless journeys on my way.